Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn with PR. In this video, we are going to learn how we can insert a new node at a specific position in circular linked list. So we have already uploaded how we can insert a node at a beginning at end. Okay, so please check that video first and then you will understand how we can do insertion at a specific position. All right, so I will also explain logic, algorithm, and step by step code as well. Okay, so even beginners can easily understand this video. Okay, this video is also the part of our data structure and algorithm playlist where we are learning linked list step by step. And if you are enjoying these data structure algorithm tutorials with C++, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning programming. Okay, now let's understand how we can insert a node at a specific position. So the simple logic is what we have to traverse to the desired position. Okay, and then we have to adjust links. Okay, we will maintain a circular structure as well. All right, so now let's check a simple example first, how we can write a code in C++. We have already understand this program in a previous video. I will give link here. Okay, so please check that why we are using these two classes. All right, here we were doing insertion at beginning. Okay, and here we were doing insertion at end. Now let's create a function with you can say name as insertion position, right? At a specific position you can write. So I'm writing here void insert at specific position. Yeah, location you can write. Okay, and here we are giving one value. All right, and here we are giving position where we want to fix the node. Okay, this is a simple function. Now same thing we have to follow here, as we have to give node memory, right? So this is a new keyword. We have already discussed that thing. So this new keyword we have to use to give a memory allocation to our new node. So whatever new node you want to insert, that will be insert, but with a memory as well, right? Now a simple thing we will use as node temp. Okay, simple right here. So here we are creating a temp node, okay, temp pointer, where we are giving value as head. All right. Now, now here we have to traverse till we find the desired position. Okay. So here we are writing I equals to 0, 1. Okay. And I will go till false minus 1, as we have to change the previous node address. So it will plus plus. Okay. And we have to keep change our temp of next. Now temp will get the value of temp of next. We have to keep change our temp, and temp of next it will change with it. Okay, once we found the desired position where we want to change the location, right, means we have to change the temp of next now, so we will do it. Now in this we have once we found the position, then we have to do our new node of next. We have to change as change as temp of next. So whatever temp of next value, it will be assigned to that new node of next, and temp of next will get the update value as new node, as we had to add new node, है ना? Simple. So this is a simple function how we can do it. All right, now we have to display it as well. We have to display, as we should know that where the value change. So object dot and insert at a specific location. Here we have to give two things. We have to give, suppose 200 element data I want to store, okay, and in which location, third location suppose. All right, so you have to check the position should be there or not, but we have already created this 3 node and one more node, so that means there is a third position exist, right? Now obj dot display, so it will display the node. Okay, it will display one by one node. Now run this code. So the first, it will first calling these three, okay, and then displaying it. So this is it looks like as 10, sorry, 30, 12, 10, okay, and then you have inserted end may 100 value. So this is end, okay, and this is the insertion at a specific location. So in a third location, 200 will be now present. Okay, so this is how your circular linked list will perform, how you can insert at a specific location, how you can insert at end and at beginning. All right. So it will say back to head. That means in the last node head present, a head value will be stored, right? So now let's check a simple step by step explanation. So here I have given example. Here we have a head. Okay, here we have these three nodes. We want to add this new node at a specific location. You have given position as 3, suppose. Okay, third node may I want to place this. So third will be here, and then 30 will go in the next node. It will become a next node. Okay, now here we are giving first temp is head. So temp is head, that means head is 1000. So temp is now head, temp is now 1000. So this point, this location. All right, now I is equal to 1, I smaller than pos minus 1, pos, pos, position. Okay, so position is 3, so 3 minus 1, that means 2. So 1 is smaller than 2, true. All right, now temp will get the value of temp of next. What is next? That is 2000. So temp now pointing to the location, second location, this location. Okay, this is now temp. So updated temp. So now this will be removed. Temp is now 2000. So here it's pointing. Okay, now 2 is more than true, false ho gaya, right? Now do what? New node of next. What is new node of next? New node of next, this one, na? Right? This one you have to fill with the temp of next. Earlier it is null. Obviously, it's not connected with any node. That's why it's null. Okay. Temp of next is, what is temp of next? This is a temp of next, no? This is 3000. So you have to place this 3000 in this position. So here your 3000 will present. Okay. Now do the last thing as temp of next. What is temp of next? This is temp of next. Now you have shifted this, you have already shifted this 3000 to the new node of next. Here now 3000. Okay, here now 3000. But here we have to shift a new node address. So this is why we are writing here. Temp of next will get the value of new node. What is new node? New node 5000. So here it will say 5000. Okay. So once you have done this also, right? Then your final linked list will look like as, this is your temp, you know. This was your temp, right? Temp is here now. So head will remain same, this will remain same, but temp of next will become now 5000. So here I have written 5000. Okay, 5000 is this address actually. Okay, so it will be connected next now, obviously. Why? Because 5000 you have stored in the next pointer. So next pointer में जब आपने store कर दिया तो वो उसको ही तो point करेगा, 5000 वाली address को ही point करेगा. So this is how it's pointing, right? So this is 50 done, and this is 3000. Why 3000? Because we have changed with the help of this thing. What is it? That line, this line. Okay, so this is what? New node of next. So new node के next में क्या डाल दो? Temp of next. What is temp of next? 3000. So 3000 now present. So now this 3000 pointing, saying this node, that's a 3000 address. So you should write like this way. Okay, but here was no space, that's why I'm writing it. Okay, so this is what? This is a 3000, okay, address. And this again the same scenario, means same thing you have to write here, and then it will again do what? It will again become a circular linked list. Okay, this is a circle now, that's why it says circular linked list, as it will point to back. Where? To head. Okay, so this is what? This is how you can update a specific position में a new node. All right, so I hope you understand this concept. If you have any query, any kind of doubt you have, please write message. You can write in a chat box. All right, so so this is a simple explanation of how we can insert a new node at a specific location. okay, in a circular singly linked list. So if you have any query, please write. I have already uploaded the video how we can create a node, okay, in a circular singly linked list, and how we can insert at beginning and at end. So please check that video also, so that you will have a clear concept, okay. So so we have already uploaded so many videos on singly linked list, doubly linked list. Please check that also, okay. This will help you to understand all things, all things of a linked list. So concept of linked list is very, very easy if you will understand with the help of dry run. This is a dry run, okay. Step by step you will perform, okay. So if this video help you to understand the concept, so please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon also. So in the next video, we will understand how we can delete a node at beginning and at the end in a circular linked list. Till then, keep learning, keep practice, okay, and keep growing. So thank you for watching. See you in my new video. All right. Thank you so much.